it's Yogi. How does your scooter looks like when you open the battery deck? Do you have the same feeling as me that if you see the messy wires in the deck, they are really frustrating? To optimize the internal space of a scooter, we refer to the wiring of automotive industry. We spilled the wires from controller and we made the PCB board for wiring. This is how they look like after and before. Install the new controller model and the new wiring into this T104. It is not only about the T104, but T104 is the smallest battery deck I can find in our hands. If we can make the battery deck of T104 become neater, that means we can make any other scooter frame become neater and neater. Do you think it's important to make the internal space become neater? Please tell me in the comments below and subscribe. Thank you.